I wanted to dive into this quote I pulled from your book here just to kind of kick things off. In it, you said, the psychological weight of it all began affecting my physical health, which impacted my ability to earn income and began hurting my financial well-being. All the stress led me to withdraw socially, and as time passed, I started wondering which came first, the mental struggles or the financial issues. I didn't even know where to begin or how to fix the messiness. What was going on when you wrote this? Where is the source of the issues that were going on in your life in this moment?
When you're mindlessly purchasing, when you're not dealing with the root issues that are propagating the financial behaviors, you're going to find yourself in a financial mess. And that's where I found myself. And I go, how can I be a personal finance expert? How can I be in the trajectory of helping others when I am making some financial mistakes? And a lot of that had to do with not realizing how everything was truly connected. And a lot of people, right, they may feel financial stress and go, okay, well, because of my financial situation, I'm feeling stress. And then that leads to mental distress. But then people don't understand that you can be going through mental health issues that is impacting your financial behaviors that's leading to financial stress. And so there's an inverse relationship. The reason why you're doing the things that you're doing, knowing you shouldn't be making that purchase, knowing that you can make better decisions with credit and saving, etc., is because there's a lot more things going on. And we need to address these different aspects of ourselves. And I'm using my story to get that conversation going.